Look upon them two women here who build Kwame bathroom. One of them 6 months pregnant. And I come see her. I don't stop calling my phone up people. I say me there on my live. Look upon that baby mother here who 6 months pregnant, 2 pitney she have. And I come see her at show concrete and she mix up everything here so. We have to watch YouTube to see the video later though. And I say me I work man on the top call my personal phone no, man. So I want to know lazy baby mother will sit down and call me. Come show them your belly. Because them go see it in YouTube. I come see that woman here. When I go see the video. A mixed matter. 6 months pregnant and I carry every bucket. 2 women, and she says a group of women of them. And you say you have this are the boss. I put out her number. I want to know watch it. And I tell her so if I have a pampers and baby bath, I go search for my program and bring come bless her. Look on her. A 2 pitney she have. And this is the 3rd one. How long now you have the concrete work?
15.
So you're not afraid man you lose the baby? Mix the cement make them sick. I don't good think a joke me I make. At this woman here me come see a mix matter and the one and that one there on the start throw it in the wall. And me give out her number. Come give out your number again, miss. You contractor that's if anybody want woman, because we say woman power.
830, 56, 32.
830, 56, 32.
Yeah.
Tell him if I put them in a freezer for me till Chris. Me soon look right being out there so. Why you get a white bucket, yeah.
And the next number is 791 58 59.
It's a, yeah. Blanca people.
158 59.
Look pan Kwame nice clean house in the tile out now for watch a video to see it. Everything in a video. Them will go post. But look on that baby mother yard, the other one them will cock up all boat in them bed about things hard and you go lift concrete bucket and go mix matter and come out on my phone. I mean I tell her first she had it. She said no, she had it for you how much? 15. Me say when me come Planka the whole of you so full of what you me I go deal with certain video and me never bother go live with it. Me say me have a video Kwame first. Eh? The lady saw a long time. And when you say to make you have baby faster?
Yeah, as my girl you might have him.
Eh? And are your children them are how old?
One at 14 and one at 2, soon 3 and soon 15.
Yeah, and let me say, I want to share that live here and make them lazy baby mother they will sit down at their yard now and go look walk. If you tell them to come carry 2 cement bucket pan aside, they won't tell you them pregnant. And I come here to consider lady here. Oh God, me say my hey, Planka people. Eh? Eh? Respect to them. And this lady says she build house, right? And contractor. And she build up the bathroom for Kwame. Woman a mix matter. Woman a carry it round. I'm gonna pick some of them buried and pack them up for me, you know. Yeah. You hear?
Yeah.
That's why look a boy and him friend them when I see up on the house. Are you build the police station? Come down in our phone, because I say woman empowerment. Talk your number again. Yeah. So you get work after work with you?
People them around the lane, you know.
I work on the next house.
Yeah, I work more everywhere.
So give out your number.
791 58 59.
Anybody want them to give them the work? We never see woman and mix matter so. We see it, you know, but we see it up on Mountain View, but we never see at the first from me of this program. Are you do the steel work too? Are you steel machine this? At the first from me band see a pregnant woman a mix matter. Yeah. And you bend up the steel up there so. Me that fi go no look like exposure. I couldn't come here and no go no look like exposure. Yeah. And you bend up your steel them. So what inspire you to do man work? Because they be that call man work.
Right, no. Them time that our mother they come here 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Now there's our grandmother we always have. I said why? You don't have nobody there.
Yeah.
You go school 100, so you
Yeah. Watch your woman over there with the cement with the sitting. Eh? Yeah. How long so I and her par?
Yeah, so me just take on dear woman when we learn the school a man up the road named Red.
Yeah.
from their youth.
Yeah.
All this of come to work, all of them work. They come not like little bit of money, you know.
Yeah, like enough money.
Man,
Yeah.
from change.
Yeah.
I'm like independent of my own.
Yeah.
I always I say, oh, I go from my own and do it. So keep on working with people till I say, all right, at time now, say, do my thing, go get my certificate and then start get some woman with me, a man, everybody comes. So never. My
Company.
People, yeah, my people in just come and help me push the work up. Buy one trap sand, just come in and just start, help me push the work.
Yeah, so you have you're certified contractor.
Yeah.
And so anybody want any house or anything for bill, link you. Alright? Alright. I have this baby mother here where me personally, I go get some blessings for her. I go and stock you up with baby food, baby pampers. And what kind of baby you say you have? You don't know. You don't know yet. And you work for your one. Your baby father they on board with you? Alright. I'm proud of you. I just put on this to just make it. I see if anyone of them ever call me and I come tell them they have 3 pitney and then can't go work. I go and tell them to go through a cement bucket. Anyway, I just go here to and I say, Kwame.
Other number 791-5859.
Yeah. Kwame in the house I cook stew pea.
59. Samara
Say, the contractor alright lady, the baby mother I want bless. And she want bless with some baby clothes and stuff. When she don't ask me for nothing, you know. Me want anybody work for me come see her, do she forget pampers, she forget bath pants, she forget baby clothes. Cause whole heap of them, and them baby mother you forget help you see out the pan and foot. Look at the woman, me say, Claudia, tell her how me go on when I come see her. Eh? In a cement I make smarter. Strong hearty young one, them sit down and breathe up and I call on my phone. I can't sleep in my bed. Yeah, see, she them a work, and them a build up the bathroom around there for Kwame. And they round at the back there, so them come to them I do the column. Well, when I say for Kwame now, I just look on it and I say the house, the fall Cuba hide the beauty. So Kwame have to go get some man, to kind of, if he don't run so only a black here, so, or he move the fall Cuba and carry it down, because you can't see nothing in the house with this whole fall Cuba, so. And Kwame have 30 layer in it, and I go see it in the video. So bless up on yourself. What's your name again?
Carissa Tatana Ola.
Carissa?
Tatana Ola.
Alright, Carissa. Bless up. I'm going to get some baby things here. Bless up, Empress. Alright. I go in, and I say, them down y'all put out some strong hearty people in a phone. Where I get blessing, and then the woman here, especially the pregnant one, I say, a lift concrete bucket. Eh? Rasta Jaina John shop. Anyway, I cut the life because I'm on mission here now. Oh, go back up on your vehicle. Claudia, what we did talk about? It spell sense this hours? No, me I talk to and fro. Alright. Watch your beer cement upon the mat. I'm going to set no mat. Rasta Japlanka people, you see? Yeah, man, that him not focus on that, you know. Him not know say me I say it. And me come out, him a focus on him house. Eh? Oh, ask Natalie. Oh, what my next one, Tina?
Claudia.
Oh, Claudia, have my phone. Go feed this now, please. Yeah. Me not go remember her name. Me say Planka people, she not beg me nothing. Nothing the woman no beg me. I don't even know if they know me when me just come. Maybe they know say me I bill it, but me, I beg some baby things to that baby mother there. Pampers, baby clothes, and all of the good things them one can give that baby mother there. She deserve a blessing. What me say? Like how me beat the blind lady downtown and bless her and she get her blessing. What me say? Whoa. Me say she did, we say progress over here, so. And a year she do it. Yeah. Kwame say a long, when time in there talk to him look while. Him say, auntie, a long time them woman there do them work there, no. The pillar in my mouth. No, me alone laugh loud in a real life. Big up the working ladies, them. Yeah, man. Anyway, I'm gonna like work and video, so soon a little bit from this, yeah? We just see that I like them two women and give them a shout out. Because when you say women do good, you have to uplift them. So bless up on yourself, yeah?